Okay.
Right. Gibbons trying to gain access. Did you hear that?
I think you choked on it.
You got that?
You alright?
My turn.
Alright.
Yeah, sure. It's hits me in the same spot.
Chimney
In hopes of getting information.
I'm gonna die. You guys stay stop each other. Stop each other's hearts. What's wrong with you?
I came out of the bathroom and they're both standing up and I'm like, what the hell are they doing?
Are you breathing? Yeah. Okay. Can we do it again? No, just do it again.
Double. We gotta do it at the same time.
Can we do it at the same time? Do we have the same length? Like arm length?
For the most part.
Where are we gonna go? Dude, wait, you're gonna like fall, man. Let me get out of the way. 2, 3. Oh!